So I got this message some 2 days ago that the B network KYC is now open. So let's see. I've been here for ages, and it looks like they're finally serious because they are 6 years old now. The platform is celebrating B's Day, the sixth anniversary milestone. So what's up? Is it time to be serious? Is it serious o'clock yet? Well, let's go look the app up and see how we can actually take part and get verified for the KYC. I have launched the app, and where do we go? Let's go for settings at the top. Let's scroll to, whoa, they're doing premium. Oh god. All right, so KYC verification is here, so let's tap on it. Allow B network to take pictures and record video. Allow. Record audio. Allow. This is it. Please turn on the camera and position it toward your face to proceed. Ensure successful verification. Please perform the check yourself. Ensure environment is well lit. Follow on-screen instructions. So you click on agree to verify. So your camera will go on. And it says you have successfully passed liveness test. Well, it's that simple. Just face verification is enough. That's great. Guys, so this is the simplest KYC I've ever seen. No document required, just your face. So it says, I have successfully verified. So what's the update? Let's check their social media pages. And let's do that from within the app so we don't get misled to some fraudsters page. So here is B Network's official Twitter page, B Network International. They have a followership of 835k. That's a great community. And they're celebrating their 6 years. So 6 years, what have you done? Um, one global celebration. This May 20 B's Day returns with a 400,000 Bitcoins prize pool, 8,000 lucky winners, and amazing partners are joining us. Special co-host CoinGecko, Let's Exchange, EcoBit Exchange, media partners Coin Life HQ, Fades Their Hugs. May 20, let's make it global. 100k KYC verification is now open, but first, let's see who the real believers are. Discover your B level, join the KYC wishlist, and tag your B friends to challenge them. I'm interested in all that. Calling up pioneers, believers, let us know you're here. Next chapter is locked, and only a true believer can crack the code. Alright, guys, I don't think there's nothing very serious here. Happy 1000th anniversary. Let's have one last look at the app. Event Center. Happy 520 B's Day, the ultimate cool airdrop. Ongoing. Alright, so airdrops are ongoing here. Some have ended. Collect your EcoBit anniversary card and claim 5 USBP. New round B network giveaway round 3. Well, if you find any one of them interested, you might want to give them a try. Coin. So you check for the ones that are ongoing. Let's see what's here. So it says I joined 1,833 days ago and I've minted 920 times. Damn it, I've really tried. Alright, so this is it, guys. I was hoping to see some major updates concerning listing, withdrawal, and all that, but it seems those are not yet available. So I'll be here on a standby to give you guys first-hand update as soon as there is something new. In the meantime, that's how to verify your KYC on B Network, and the airdrop is still running. If you haven't registered already, you might want to check it out. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.